puppies. Hi, guys. Oh, hi, guys. Oh, hi, you. Okay, let's turn it. We have, who's this? Oh, it's the minion. And I got somebody else behind me. Who's this? Oh, it's Risen. Oh, and little Zion's barking at me. He's right here. Hi, guys. Oh, who is that? We have the Faithful. Sorry, not the best video. I said Zion, didn't I?
I think you said like something else.
I'm pretty sure I said Zion, but you know what? I could have gotten it wrong. Good puppies. This is the first time the Easter litter's been outside. So they're going to spend a little bit of time before it storms or rains. It's not going to be a big storm, but let's see.
Why did you do that? I good thing I took it off.
Let's see. Where is everybody? Hi, puppies. Mama's out here, so half of them are drinking off Mama. But the other girls are out playing. Oh, you guys found the hose, huh? Yeah, I left it out. That's okay. That's okay. It's fun to play with. Loretta. Reba. Reba's been used to the other ones out, so she's not near as excited as she was when the first ones got to go out. Oh, she knew I was talking about her, I think. That's funny. All right.